I recently was asked how to add Storify to an Edge project. So I've got my basic stage set up and I have a rectangle on it, and I haven't even changed the name of it, which I'm not going to. And I've set it at auto because I know it's going to be a long scrolly thing because I'm the one who wrote it. So I'm over here and I am logged into Storify, and I have a story I published, Take Responsibility. And all I need to do is come over here to the embed code. Now there's a full header and a MIDI header. You know, whatever, you can put a border on it. So I'm going to select all, copy. Now I'm going to put this into a variable only because it makes it easier to edit. Okay, so I'm going to go window, code window, and I am going to go document ready, and I'm going to paste my whole variable, and I'm just going to call it story equals open single quote, close single quote, semicolon, and I am going to paste my code in. Now there's some things I don't need in this code. One of them is the div class equals Storify. I need Storify. I'm going to need that. So I'm going to copy that, but I'm going to delete this div tag. And I'm going to pop down here at the end and delete this as well. Okay, now, if you notice, that had a class of Storify. So I'm going to do a couple things. One, I'm going to write the code, then I'll go back and add the class. But first we'll start with sym dot $, open parentheses, open double quotes, close parentheses, dot HTML, open parentheses, and close parentheses, semicolon. Note there's no quotes in there. So I'm going to attach this to my class called Storify. So I'm going to put dot, and I copied Storify. The dot indicates a class. The HTML is the variable for this is story, S-T-O-R. Did I do that? S-T-O-R-Y, story. All right, and the last part I need to do is, and this is a good thing to learn, on this rectangle, if you click this little C up here, equals class. Now, like I said, I copied it, so I'm just going to paste in Storify. There we go. Now I'm just going to test it. Command return. And there you go. There's my Storify, take responsibility. And then you'll note that at the very end they added in something else they picked up. Here's Storify, responsible web design. They added related stories. So it's pretty easy to do this. All you have to do is copy the code, paste it in. Bob's your uncle.